Imagine you're trying to make a big purchase or transfer a significant amount of money. You've chosen Airwallex for its convenience and efficiency. But then, you're hit with a roadblock, the deposit limit. Ever wondered, how much can I actually deposit on Airwallex without hitting a wall? Well, let's dive into that today. Before we get to the specifics, let's understand why deposit limits exist in the first place. Think of it like a credit card. There's a limit on how much you can spend to prevent financial risks. Similarly, Airwallex has limits to ensure the safety and stability of their platform. Now, the million-dollar question, what is the deposit limit on Airwallex? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The deposit limit can vary based on several factors. Your account type. Business accounts often have higher limits than personal accounts due to their larger transaction volumes. Your account history. A longer and more active account history can lead to increased limits. Your verification level. The more information you provide to verify your identity, the higher your limit is likely to be. Country-specific regulations. Different countries have different regulations that can affect deposit limits. Providing examples. To give you a better idea, let's consider a hypothetical example. Let's say you're a business owner in Nigeria with a verified Airwallex business account. You might have a daily deposit limit of around NGN 500,000. However, this is just an estimate, and your actual limit could be higher or lower. Tips for increasing your deposit limit. If your current deposit limit isn't meeting your needs, don't worry. There are steps you can take to potentially increase it. Verify your account. Ensure you've provided all necessary documentation to verify your identity and business information. Increase your transaction volume. Regularly use your Airwallex account for various transactions to demonstrate your account activity. Contact customer support. Reach out to Airwallex's customer support team to inquire about increasing your deposit limit. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. Addressing common concerns. You might be wondering, what happens if I exceed my deposit limit? In most cases, your transaction will be declined. However, it's always best to check with Airwallex's terms and conditions for specific details. Remember, the deposit limit on Airwallex is not static. It can change over time based on your account activity and other factors. So, it's important to keep an eye on your limits and take steps to increase them if needed. Want to learn more about Airwallex and its features? Check out our other videos on the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.